Model, 68-plate Citroen Berlingo 650 Enterprise Bluehdi spares or repairs needs timing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162176. MOT, the 11th of December 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, timing belt has snapped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Easy in and out project. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.